Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to discuss one of the best candlestick pattern, and this is one of the most reliant and trusted pattern. If you are able to grab this pattern in a right way, it is guaranteed for you to earn rewards. Now, let's discuss who should get benefited by watching this video. Any beginner who is looking forward to step up into the stock market, and secondly, anyone who is already trading, and third, anyone who is just doing for educational purposes. Guys, let me make sure you there is at least a little for everyone. So let's get started. So I'm going to discuss the candlestick pattern is about the hammer candle. And if you look at the definition, a hammer is a type of bullish reversal candlestick pattern made up of just one candle found in price chart of financial asset. Well, it's a clear definition of this candle. Now let's just look how a hammer candle look like. So guys, if you see, the two candles represent the hammer candle. But let's just check what is the difference between these two candles. Both these candles are known as hammer candle, but let's now check what is the difference between those two candles. If you see the green one, the candle opened at this point, made a low at this point, made a high at this point, and then close at its high. This is how a hammer candle formed. Now let's see the red hammer candle. The candle open here, the open is the only high of that red candle. The candle then makes a low and the candle closes at this point. So now I think you've got an overall idea of how a hammer candle is formed and what is a hammer candle and how a hammer candle look like. Now the most important thing, and I think you should note down this on your notebook, that is, what are the necessary conditions that one must look in order to find a hammer signal to be perfect. So our first condition is the stock/pair must have been in a definite downtrend before this signal occurred. Guys, if you are trading in stock market by looking at the chart, or if you are trading in the forex market by looking at the chart, if this kind of pattern form, that is the candlestick pattern, the hammer candle form, then it works everywhere. And the most important thing is the stock/pair must have been in a definite downtrend before this signal occur. I will explain you later in the live chart how to find it. Our second condition is the lower shadow must be at least twice the size of the body. If you have seen that hammer candle and the candle has made a low, and the body should be twice that of his shadow. Our third condition, there should be no upper shadow or a very small upper shadow. Now let's just see in the live chart. Now guys, for a moment pause the video and identify by yourself in this chart which candle represent the perfect hammer candle. If you find this as a hammer candle, then you are right, and I think you got the point what I'm trying to say. Now let's just look at another chart and let's see how you go through it. Now it is a chart of Euro USD weekly chart. Now guys, for a moment pause the video and identify here which candle represents the best hammer candle. If you guys identified this as your preferred candle, then you are right. Now let us just check our condition. What are the conditions that we have discussed earlier to be a perfect hammer candle? Our first condition, that is the stock/pair must have been in a definite downtrend before this signal occur, like this. So our first condition match. Our second condition, the lower shadow must be at least twice the size of the body. And now if you see the candle and the shadow of the candle, it is more than twice. So it's our second condition also satisfied it. Our third condition, that is there should be no upper shadow or a very small upper shadow. Now if you look at this candle, the candle has made a small upper shadow. So all our conditions satisfied, and guys, after that you can see the result. So I think you got an overall idea of how a hammer candle look like and what are the conditions you should note in order to find a perfect hammer candle. So that's all for today guys. Leave a like button if you learned something new, comment down for your doubt and suggestion, and do let me know what you are looking forward to watch next. And until next time, goodbye. Take care guys.